Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Today I'm going to be showing you how to predict the next market direction using my awesome powerful strategy that I've been using to make lots and lots of profit. Okay, let's jump right into it. So looking at this market, NZD USD, the market is in a ranging market. It's a range bound market, and you can see looking at this fib from the high to the low. So looking at it now, we are seeing more of buyers in the market because you can see this buyers movement, these long candles is giving us the indication that the market is ready to break out of the range, and we should be expecting more buyers entry in the near term. So for that, I'll be looking out for opportunities to go with a higher option. I guess that is a good opportunity. So for 4 minutes, yes, I'll take it there. Awesome. Okay, still good. So for 4 minutes, I place a higher option here. Why? Because like I said, the market was in a range bound market, but now we are seeing a strong buying momentum in the market. So this gives us the indication that the market is ready to break out of this range. So I'm expecting buyers to take the market to the higher direction in the next 3 to 4 minutes. I want to see the market keep on expanding higher. Okay, so that being said, I would advise you just take 1 second of your time. It takes 1 second to like a video. Hit the like button now, and if it's your first time, make sure you hit subscribe, and don't forget to drop a comment. You can ask me any question. Tell me what you think about the market direction currently, and what would you do if you were the one trading. Okay, so looking at it, you can see on the 5 minutes the market is trying to go higher. We are seeing more rejection from buyers, and good buyers entry are coming in on the 1 minute. So this is the range, this is the high. Yes, this is the high, and this is the low end. Okay, and that's the middle of the range. So you're getting strong buyers entry into the market. So that was why I said the market could break out of the range, and buyers are going to take the market higher. Okay, awesome. So we're on the last candle now. We're on the last candle, and you can see our entry point is very good, and buyers has been taking the market higher since I took that trade. I think this is a very good ITM. This is a short trade. Oh, my alerts, USD card. Okay, I don't have it here. I think that's an old alert. Okay, we have a few seconds more on this one. Some buyers are coming in strongly. Okay, I think I'm going to come to that pair. Okay, very good. That was an ITM. You can see a wonderful ITM. The entry point is perfect, and the market expanded to the upside, like I said. And you can see it on the 5 minutes. Buyers are coming now. Very good entry point. Okay, so here on the 5 minutes, you can see this new candle is starting out on that support, and on this one, buyers are giving more indications that they want to take the market higher. This one too is a ranging market. This one too is a ranging market, so I'm going to look out for a good entry point to go with buyers, but I'm not sure if that's a good entry point. Let me put my alert there. If the price comes to that level, price comes to this level, I might go with buyers. That would be a very good safe trade. So on this one, NZD USD, let me open one more for the 1 minute chart. You can see how buyers are taking the market higher. So they will be taking the market to this level. Yes, the market should be aiming for that level, and this should be a support level. Now we could take a trade from that level if the market can just come down a little more. But I think buyers are really strong. The market is just aiming higher, so I might come back and take the next trade. Let me pause the video. Okay, so here we are. I paused the video because I didn't get a clear opportunity to take a trade, and this one, we had a strong buyer's entry, and now the market is retracing. So using our power 4 strategy, this should be a good entry point. It should be another good opportunity to join with buyers. So I've already placed my alert line, my alert level. If the market should strike that price, I'm surely going to go with buyers for the next 4 minutes. Okay, let's be patient and allow the price to come to us. Yeah, I think this market is going to go higher. That should be a retracement. Okay, price has hit our alert. So for 4 minutes, perfect. I'll go with the higher option. Okay, very good entry point. So here, I took a higher option because I'm seeing good buyer's entry on the 5 minutes, and this movement down is just a retracement. And you can see the market is a ranging market, so it's going to be giving us higher highs and higher lows until it gets to the resistance level. So that's it. I'm expecting buyers to take the market on from that level. Okay, so let's see how this trade goes. Okay, so we have few seconds on this trade. You can see the market has been going higher since I took it. We had a sniper entry point on this one. That was an awesome entry point, and you can see it on the 5 minutes. We just picked it and the market went higher. Okay, awesome. That was a good trade. As you can see, that was a total 5 minutes candle. That was a very good prediction. Yeah. Okay, so let me observe the market and look out for the next trade. Okay, this one NZD-USD, like I told you, the market is aiming for the level above and it's already there. So let me pause the video and look out for more opportunities. Okay, so we're here again. I was waiting for this market to give me some good signal. So, but the market has been trending down. I've been seeing more sellers in the market, but I'm still thinking it's still in a range bound market. Maybe a new trend has started, but I'm still not sure. And this one, I opened this pair. The market is already going higher. No clear opportunity for me to join buyers. But on this one, I'm seeing more of sellers. So it seems the market is now trading lower. But let me still use the range bound market to analyze this market, because I don't want to believe it's still in a trend because it hasn't break out of the range. So if it has broken out from the range, I would have taken it as a bearish trend, but let me still take it as a range bound market. And I'm seeing strong bias entry, a little break in market structure. So for 4 minutes, oh, this is digital, let me change it to binary. Okay, perfect. So on this one, I'm seeing strong bias entry. So for the next 4 minutes, autumn good entry points. I'll go with the higher option there. Okay, so yeah, I took a higher option here because I'm still believing that this market is still in a range bound market. I'm seeing more of sellers, yeah, probably, but let me still go with buyers from this area because the market has not actually broken out from the range. So I'm expecting more buyers to take over the market, especially from this point, because I'm seeing a little break in market structure and the weakness in sellers. Okay, so let's see the close of this trade. Okay, so you can see the markets have been consolidating. I think the market is partially in a consolidation here, but we have few seconds more for this one. I hope buyers take the market higher so it can close above my entry point. But I think the market is still strongly the market is still consolidating. I don't know if sellers are more stronger, but Okay, very good. I won that trade. You can see the power 4 strategy is really powerful, and you can see it on the 5 minutes. We had a weak candle there, so that was why the market is consolidating. So I told you the market is still in a range bound market, and that's it. That's why I didn't go with sellers. Okay, so that's the third trade. Awesome item. So I think sellers are more strong, but they are not giving me a very good indication. And this one, the market is already going higher. It's hitting the next level. I don't think that there's a clear opportunity on this one. So I think I might pause the video and come back for the next trade. Yeah. Okay, so I'm here again. This market is still trading lower, but you can see the selling is not strong like we had it before. If you look backward about 10 minutes ago, the selling was actually strong, but here the market is just giving me weak candles. So I still prefer going with buyers around this area. I'm not seeing strong indication of sellers giving me the telltale sign that the market is ready to drop down. So I've placed an alert line. If the market could come a little bit lower, I'll buy at that level. That would be a very good entry point to take my trade. So that's it. Your entry points are very, very important when it comes to binary option. You have to learn to take trades at very good entry. Okay, I think I'll go with higher option there. Okay, it has already hitting my alert line. It's all the same. So yeah, I took a higher option here because you can see weakness in sellers even at that level. The market is looking like though it's in a downtrend now, but the bearish trend is not strong enough. It's not really strong. I would have been going with sellers, but I think going with buyers at this level is still a good idea. So that was why I took a higher option, because I'm still expecting the market to operate in this range of higher to lower. Okay, so that's it. Let's see how this trade goes. Okay, so the trade has been running. You can see we are getting some partial consolidations in the market. I told you that it's not really convenient enough to go with sellers. So if sellers were strong, they would have been bringing the market down like the usual, like a normal trending market coming down. So we have a few seconds more on this one, and perfect. Good, I won that trade. I still have a lucky entry point on this one. So that's good. You need to learn how to get sniper entry points for your trade. Okay, so that's the first trade. I think that's enough for today. You can see even on the 5 minutes, weekly candles on the 5 minutes. So I think the market is consolidating. I'll stop here for today. So this was the first trade when the market was trending well. Okay, this one is NZE. I took a hard option there, and the market kept on trading higher. And this was the second one. Yes, a good trade, a higher option. And here I took a higher option, and all the trades were higher option. Okay, so that's good. um if you like this video, do not to hit the like button, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think about the trades. And if it's your first time, make sure you hit subscribe. I post awesome videos weekly. And if you want to learn more about the strategy, do not to contact me. My contact details are below. I wish you all good luck with trading. Peace.